Hare Krishna. Intention pushes us towards Krishna even when pleasure or trouble stop pushing. When we start practicing spiritual life, sometimes we may get some higher taste, and that higher happiness which comes through remembering Krishna, through chanting his holy names, may be the push which keeps us moving towards Krishna. However, this taste is not regularly available for us because presently our mind is very conditioned. So, when that taste becomes inaccessible, then we feel, what is the point of practicing Krishna Bhakti? So, taste or pleasure coming from the connection with Krishna cannot be a steady pusher towards Krishna. Sometimes we may get into trouble that, oh, I have this problem, I had that problem, Krishna, please solve this problem. And we come to Krishna and we cry to Krishna and we become very intense in our devotion to him. So Krishna talks about this in 7.16 when he says that Arto, the distressed, are one category of people who start worshipping him. It is good that amidst trouble we are remembering Krishna. However, again, when the trouble goes away, we will stop pushing towards Krishna. Or if the trouble stays on, then we will think, if Krishna is not solving my problem, what is the point of practicing bhakti? So both taste and trouble cannot be steady pushers. Then what is a steady pusher? That is intention. We have to, with our knowledge, make a conscious, intentional choice of moving towards Krishna. So Krishna says in 7.17 that among the four categories of people who come to me, Tesham Jnani Nitya Yukta Eka Bhaktir Vishishyate Priyo Hi Jnanino Atyartham Aham Sach Mama Priyaha. So he says that among the four categories of people, the distressed, the wealth seeker, the inquisitive and the knowledgeable, those who are in knowledge, understanding that they are souls and that Krishna is the supreme whole, with this knowledge, when they try to practice Krishna Bhakti, then they will be steady. They have an intention, not in the sense of a self-centered motivation, but they have the conscious choice. In that sense, they have unleashed the power of intention, and that will power them on in their practice of Krishna Bhakti. So that's why Krishna says these who are consciously and intentionally trying to come towards him, they are the topmost devotees and they are most dear to him. So we need to rise to this level of intentional bhakti, and that will be steady bhakti, that will lead to purification, and then we will find that with the purified heart, bhakti will become constantly and increasingly joyful. Thank you. Hare Krishna.